In today's video, we will see how to charge the DJI Mic Mini properly. Charge case versus USB-C explained and step-by-step guide. Method 1. Charge using the charging cable, the 2TX plus 1 RX bundle. So step 1. Open the lid and make sure the charging contacts are inside the case are clean. Place both transmitters, the TX and the receiver, RX onto their designed slot. Step 3. Close the lid and check the LED indicator. The device will begin charging automatically when properly seated. The step 4. If the case battery is low, connect the include USB-C cable to the case and a USB powered cable adapter. The DJI recommend using a 5-volt 2 ampere charger. Method 2. Charge using USB-C cable and charging dock. So, plug the USB-C cable into the USB wall charger, power bank or computer USB port and attach the receiver directly to the USB-C charging cable. Place the transmitter onto the charging dock and connect the dock to the charger cable. And check the LED indicator on the transmitter and receiver. The light indicate that charging is in progress. The step 5. Allow the transmitter and receiver to charge completely before use. Goodbye.